Oppo is gearing up with the new smartphone of the Find X8 series. This is the flagship phone of the company. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Now I am going to expose every single feature that it has to offer. Firstly, let me mention the massive display. There will be an AMOLED touchscreen display. The Oppo Find X8 will be small and thin, making it the actual mini in the portfolio. It will come with a 6.3 inches display. The phone will be just over 7 mm thick, with the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. And you will also get the other features such as a 120Hz refresh rate. It is a full HD display with the tough protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core CPU. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. There is a triple camera system back on this amazing phone. And 3 cameras are equally 50 megapixel. There will be an under-display optical fingerprint reader. The phone battery will be greater than 5700 mAh. That's all for now and thanks for watching.